So let's talk about how you can plump your lips in the most natural way. And we're going to do so by using Gua Sha. So what's the first thing you need to do? Prep the lip area. I've already done a little bit of the work ahead of time, but I want to share with you what I did already. And something cool about lips, they're super absorbent. So they love to be taken care of. So I have 3 steps that I've done. I did a gentle exfoliation scrub with our enzyme exfoliant, just doing little circle motions and then gently wiped it off. I followed with a little bit of a lip mask to really add that moisture and hydration. Left that on for about 5 minutes and then I massaged it through, so I never took it off. Followed with a little bit of the citrus lip balm, but not too much, because I'm going to put this at the very end. So what is the product I'm going to be using today? I'm going to be using our Marine Flower Peptide Lip Serum. Wonderful, wonderful product. I'm going to show you some cool techniques you can use just with this applicator as well. So before we get on with all of the demo, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. All right, the moment you've been waiting for, I just know it. We're going to prep first with the Marine Flower Peptide Lip Serum. I'm just going to put a little bit here in the top of my hand. Literally just a bit, maybe the size of a grain of rice, a little bit larger. And then you can also see this fabulous little applicator. It's pretty tight, but it has a little bit of bumps on it. So it almost acts like a little bit of a massage tool. So if you don't have the Gua Sha that I have today or on the go, you can use this little applicator to do about the same thing I'm going to show you today. So that's a tip for you. All right. So how does this work? It's very quick, and our goal is to help get a little bit of blood flow, maybe get a little extra pinkness in the lips, and to help soften any of those fine lines that you might see. So easy. You're going to work in quadrants. You're going to work starting on your right upper lip, and it's just off center. Then you're going to go to your your right lower lip side. Then you're going to move over to the left side to do the same thing on the top and on the bottom. And then you're going to concentrate in the center of both the top lip and the bottom lip. So first, just taking my little finger, well, ring finger, and I'm going to just follow the edge of my lip. So I'm just going to directly apply a little bit more and all the way around. Smells really good. All right, Gua Sha. Nice and clean. Don't forget to use a clean one. With a good grip, see my heart? You can use this edge or this edge, just depends, but what you're looking for is to work on the rounded edge of the heart of the Gua Sha. So you're going to take your non-dominant hand, and I'm going to start on the right-hand side of my face, and I'm going to hold it nice and taut at the top, like that. Then I'm going to take my Gua Sha tool, and I'm going to be working from the outside center, all the way to the outside of the mouth. So this is how it looks. And I'm going to do 8 back and forths with small micro strokes. Start here, and then we go and end it there, and then start again. And you do this 8 times back and forth. Just for demonstration today, I'll move a little bit faster for you. Then we're going to move down to the lower neck. Same idea, nice and taut, inside out. They feel plump already. Then we're going to move to the other side. We'll start on the left-hand side, again working from the outside center, to the outside. Eight times is best. Same thing on the bottom. Oh yeah, Do they look plumped? They feel plumped. And now I'm going to go into the center top. So you can pick which side you want to start on. That's perfectly fine. I like to make it a bit taut, so at least one side is taut, just not loose altogether. And then you would do the same thing on the bottom center. Now you're asking me, can I do the reverse, moving in the other direction? Absolutely. And this is where you're going to maximize the plump. So I'm going to start back onto the right-hand side again, but this time I'm going to work from the outside towards the center. Okay, already get the picture? And then I'll do the same thing on the bottom. Reverse, other side. Bottom. And then the middle. So remember, we went this way in the middle. I'm going to go the other way for the second round. I think we've got some action for sure. Feels great.